Find the equation of normal at the point am square am cube for the curve ay square equal to x cube. Okay, so that is an NCERT problem. Ay square is equal to x cube. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is 3x square by 2ay. Okay, now dy by dx at the point am square am cube, that is equal to 3 into am square the whole square by 2a into am cube. Okay, so simplifying, which is 3 by 2m, 3m by 2. Therefore slope of normal is equal to minus 2 by 3m, minus 2 by 3m. Okay, therefore equation of normal at am square am cube is y minus am cube equal to minus 2 by 3m into x minus am square. Okay, so 3my minus 3am raised to 4 equal to minus 2x plus 2am square. Okay, or 2x plus 3my is equal to am square into 3m square plus 2, am square into 3m square plus 2, that is equation of the normal. Okay, find the equation of the normal to the curve x square equal to 4y pass through the point minus 1 4. See, this minus 1 4 is not a point on this curve. Okay, minus 1 4 does not satisfy this equation, so minus 1 4 is not a point on the curve. Now 2x is equal to 4 into dy by dx, or dy by dx is equal to x divided by 2. Now let hk be the point of contact of the normal to the curve x square equal to 4y. Okay, now dy by dx at the point hk is equal to h divided by 2, that is the slope of tangent, which is the slope of tangent. Now slope of normal equal to minus 2 divided by h is the slope of normal. Therefore equation of normal is y minus normal at the point hk is y minus k is equal to slope of normal minus 2 by h into x minus h. Okay, now this tangent is equation number 1. This one pass through the point minus 1 4. This normal, equation number 1 passes through minus 1 4. So we can replace this x and y by minus 1 and 4. 4 minus k is equal to minus 2 by h into minus 1 minus h. Okay, that is 4 minus k is equal to 2 by h into 1 plus h. So negative 1 is taken outside, or k is equal to 4 minus 2 by h into 1 plus h, that is the value of k. So let it be equation number 2. Now hk lies on this curve. Hk lies on, that is the point of contact. So hk lies on x square equal to 4y. Therefore h square equal to 4k. Equation number 3. Okay. Now solving 2 and 3. Equation number 2. Solving equation number 2 and equation number 3. Okay. How to solve? The value of k. Put the value of k is h square by 4 in this equation number 2. Okay. So we have equation number 2 is k is equal to 4 minus 2 by h into 1 plus h, or, and equation number 3 is h square is equal to 4k. Okay. So h square is equal to 4k. The value of k is h square by 4. Put this value in this equation. So this equation become h square by 4 is equal to 4 minus 2 by h minus 2 by h into 1 minus 2 by h minus 2 by h into h minus 2. So h square by 4 equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 2 by h. Okay. That is h square by 4 equal to 2h minus 2 by h. Cross multiplying, h cube equal to 8h minus 8, or h cube minus 8h plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. When h is equal to 2, which implies h is equal to 2. Okay, h is equal to 2 satisfies this equation. H is equal to 2. So when h is equal to 2, k is equal to 1. When h is equal to 2, k is equal to h square by 4, that is 2 square by 4, k is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore equation of normal. Equation of normal is y minus normal at 2, 1. Y minus 1 is equal to slope. Slope is minus 2 by h. Okay. Minus 2 by 2 into x minus 2. That is y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2, or x plus y is equal to 3. Okay. Next one. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to cos of x plus y. Okay. dy by dx is equal to minus sine of x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx. That is minus sine of x plus y minus dy by dx into sine of x plus y, or dy by dx plus dy by dx into sine of x plus y is equal to minus sine of x plus y. Okay. So dy by dx into 1 plus sine of x plus y is equal to minus sine of x plus y, or dy by dx is equal to minus sine of x plus y divided by 1 plus sine of x plus y. Okay. Now that is the slope of the tangent. Now the tangent is parallel to, tangent is slope of tangent. Slope of the tangent is equal to minus sine of x plus y divided by 1 plus sine of x plus y. Now tangent is parallel to x plus 2y is equal to 0. Slope is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now equating these two slopes, minus sine of x plus y divided by 1 plus sine of x plus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So negative cancel. 2 sine x plus y. 2 sine x plus y is equal to 1 plus sine x plus y. 2 sine x plus y minus sine x plus y is that is sine x plus y is equal to 1. Okay. So x plus y is equal to n pi plus x plus sine 90 is 1. Okay. That is n pi. This 1 is equal to sine pi by 2. So sine x is equal to sine alpha, x plus y is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into pi by 2, n belongs to z. That is x plus y. Now we have to find the value of y. Okay. Therefore y is equal to cos of x plus y. Now this x plus y is n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into pi by 2. So y is equal to 0. Okay. Now when y is equal to 0, we have the angle. This angle lies in between minus 2 pi and 0. X is in between minus 2 pi and 0. So when y is equal to 0, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into pi by 2. So the angle in this interval is when n is equal to minus 1. Put n is equal to minus 1, that is x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2. Okay. So x plus y. X plus y is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into pi by 2. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into pi by 2. X is equal to minus pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2, where n is minus 1. Put n is equal to minus 1. Okay. So this angle belongs to minus 2 pi 0. Therefore equation of tangent is y is equal to y minus 0 is equal to minus half into x minus 3 pi by 2. Okay. That is y is equal to minus half into x plus 3 pi by 2, or multiplying by 2, 2y plus x plus 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Next one, find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Y is equal to root of y equal to root of 3x minus 2. Differentiating dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root 3x minus 2 into 3. Okay. That is 3 divided by 2 root of 3x minus 2. Slope of tangent is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, that is 2. Therefore 3 divided by 2 root 3x minus 2 equal to 2. Okay. So cross multiplying and squaring. 16 into 3x minus 2 equal to 9. Okay. So x is equal to 41 by 48. X is equal to 41 by 48. So when x is equal to 41 by 48, y is equal to root of 3 into 41 by 48 minus 2, that is root of 41 by 16 minus 2, that is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore the point is x coordinate 41 by 48 and y coordinate 3 by 4. Therefore equation of tangent at 41 by 48 comma 3 by 4 is y minus 3 by 4 equal to slope 2 into x minus 41 by 48, okay, or 4y minus 3 by 4 equal to 2 into 48x minus 41 by 48, okay, which is 24 6. So cross multiplying by 6, 48x minus 24y is equal to 23. That is the slope of tangent. Now slope of normal is y minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 41 by 48. So simplify 48x minus 96y minus 113 is equal to 0. Okay. Next one, find the equation of the tangent, find the angle of intersection of the curve x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x minus 2 the whole square plus y square is equal to 4 at the point in the first quadrant. Okay, x square plus y square is equal to 4. Here x minus 2 the whole square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay, so subtracting x minus 2 the whole square minus x square equal to 0, or x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to x square cancel, x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, here y is equal to root 3. Put x is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Therefore 1 implies 1 square plus y square equal to 4, y square equal to 3, y is equal to root 3 plus or minus root 3, but which is in quadrant 1, in the first quadrant. Okay, so y is equal to root 3. Now point of intersection is therefore point of intersection is equal to 1 comma root 3. Okay, now derivative x square plus y square equal to 4, 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0, or dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Now dy by dx at the point 1 comma root 3 is equal to minus 1 by root 3, slope of the tangent. Okay, now for the second curve, that is x minus 2 the whole square plus y square is equal to 4, 2 into x minus 2 plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So here dy by dx is equal to minus of x minus 2 divided by y. Okay, now dy by dx at the point 1 comma root 3 is equal to minus of 1 minus 2 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3. Okay, so first say let it be m1, second slope is m2. tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, that is modulus of minus 1 by root 3 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus minus 1 by root 3 into, sorry, which is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Okay, that's equal to modulus of minus 2 by root 3 divided by 3 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. So simplify, which is equal to root 3. Okay, therefore theta is equal to pi by 3 tan 60. Okay, next one. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line. Okay, so y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, now first case, tangent is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, slope of the line, is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, that's equal to 2. So let it be m1. Okay, now since the since this line and tangent are parallel, line is parallel to tangent. Okay, so 2 is equal to dy by dx, 2x minus 2, or 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7, that is equal to 7. Therefore equation of tangent at 2, 7 is y minus 7 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Okay, or 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now second part is tangent is perpendicular to 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Okay, slope of the line, slope is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, that is equal to 3. Let it be m2. Okay, now slope of this tangent is perpendicular to the line. Okay, so slope of tangent 2x minus 2, slope of perpendicular line is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, therefore 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, which implies x is equal to 5 by 6. Okay, now when x is equal to 5 by 6, y is equal to 217 by 36. Therefore equation of tangent is y minus 217 by 36 equal to slope into x minus 5 by 6 on simplify, which is 12x plus 36y is equal to 227. Okay. Next one. Prove that the curve x is equal to y square, x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. Now when x is equal to y square, xy is equal to k, here y square is equal to x. So x is replaced by, which implies this x is replaced by y square into y equal to k, y cube equal to k, y equal to k raised to 1 by 3, x is equal to y square, that is k raised to 1 by 3 square, k raised to 2 by 3. Okay. Now differentiating 1, that is x is equal to y square. Now x is equal to y square, differentiating 1 is equal to 2y into dy by dx. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. dy by dx at the point k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into k raised to 1 by 3. So let it be m1, first slope. Okay. Now for the second curve, xy is equal to k. That is x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Okay. Now dy by dx at the point k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3. K raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 is equal to minus k raised to 1 by 3 by k raised to 2 by 3. Okay. Now m1 m2 is equal to product of slopes, that is equal to minus k raised to minus 1 by 3, that is m2. Now cut at right angles means m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now m1 is 1 by 2 k raised to 1 by 3 into minus k raised to minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1, which implies eight k square is equal to 1. Okay. Next, find the equation of the normal at the point on the curve x square equal to 4y which pass through the point 1, 2. Also find the equation of the corresponding tangent. Equation of the curve is x square equal to 4y pass through the point 1, 2, comma normal pass through 1, 2. Okay. Let the point on the curve be x1, y1. Let x1, y1 be the point on the curve. Okay. Therefore, x1 square equal to 4y1. Now dy by dx, differentiating 2x is equal to 4 dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to x divided by 2. X divided by 2. Now dy by dx at x1 y1. x1 y1 is equal to x1 divided by 2. Okay. Therefore slope of normal is equal to minus 2 by x1. Therefore equation of normal at x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to minus 2 by x1 into x minus x1. Okay. Pass through 1 2 comma passes through the point 1 2. Okay. So 2 minus y1 is equal to minus 2 by x1 into 1 minus x1. Okay. Now this y1 is replaced by x1 square by 4. So 2 minus x1 square by 4. y1 here, which implies y1 equal to x1 square by 4. So which is equal to minus 2 by x1 into 1 minus x1. Okay. 1 minus x1. So simplifying x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 1. Therefore the point is 2 1. Therefore equation of normal at 2 1 is y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 2 into x minus 2. Okay, that is x plus y is equal to 3. Now equation of tangent is y minus 1 is equal to 2 by 2 into x minus 2 or x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. Next one, find the equation of the tangent to the curve 3x square minus y square equal to 8. Differentiating 6x minus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0 or dy by dx is equal to 3x divided by y. Now dy by dx at x1 y1 is equal to 3x1 by y1. Therefore equation of tangent at x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to 3x1 by y1 into x minus x1. Okay. Tangent pass through the point 4 by 3 0. Tangent pass through 4 by 3 0. So this x and y are replaced by 4 by 3 and 0. So 0 minus y1 is equal to 3x1 by y1 into 4 by 3 minus x1. Okay, that is minus y1 square equal to 3x1 into 4 by 3 minus x1. Okay, that is minus y1 square equal to 4x1 minus 3x1 square. Now using equation number, see x1 y1 is a point. x1 y1 is a point. So we have 3x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 8. So minus y1 square value is 8 minus So from this equation, x1 y1 is a point on this line, so 3x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 8. So minus y1 square is 8 minus 3x1 square equal to 4x1 minus 3x1 square. So x1 is equal to 2. Okay, so when x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to, put the value of x1 here, so y1 is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, therefore the points are 2, 2 and 2 minus 2. Therefore equation of tangent at 2, 2. Equation of tangent at 2, 2 is y minus 2 is equal to, slope is 3. Okay, dy by dx, x1 y1, slope is 3x1 by y1, that is 3 into 2 by 2, that is 3 into y minus y1 is equal to 3 into x minus 2, or 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Slope of tangent. Slope of normal, y minus, again slope of tangent, slope of equation of tangent, then equation of tangent at equation of tangent at 2 minus 2 is y plus 2 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 2, or 3x plus y is equal to 4. Next one, show that the normal at any point theta to the curve x is equal to a cos theta, x is equal to a cos theta plus a theta sin theta, and y is equal to a sin theta minus a theta cos theta is a constant distance from the origin. So x is given, dx by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta plus a into theta cos theta plus sin theta by product rule. So a sin theta cancelled, that is a theta cos theta. Okay, now y is equal to a sin theta minus a theta cos theta, dy by d theta is equal to a theta sin theta. By simplifying, take the derivative. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, which is equal to tan theta. Okay, now equation of tangent, show that the normal at any point to the curve is a constant distance from the origin. Equation of normal is y minus y1, y1 is a sin theta minus a theta cos theta, is equal to minus 1 by tan theta into x minus x1, a cos theta plus a theta sin theta. Okay, see, this one is minus cos theta by sin theta, that is y minus a sin theta plus a theta cos theta is equal to minus cos theta by sin theta into x minus a cos theta minus a theta sin theta. Now multiplying by sin theta and simplifying, we have x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to a. So distance from the origin, distance from origin is equal to modulus of a divided by, or which is minus a is equal to 0. Modulus of minus a divided by root of sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to a. Modulus of a, that is a constant. So distance from the origin is a constant. Okay. Next, find the value of p for which the curve x square equal to 9p into 9 minus y and x square equal to p into y plus 1 cut each other at right angles. Okay. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we have left hand side is same, so we can equate the right side. 9p into 9 minus y is equal to p into y plus 1. Okay, that is p get cancelled. 81 minus 9y is equal to y plus 1, or 80 equal to 10y, y is equal to 8. Okay. Now when y is equal to 8, x square is equal to 9p. Okay. So when y is equal to 8, x square equal to p into 8 plus 1, that is 9p. X is equal to plus or minus 3 root p. Okay. Therefore point of intersection are 3 root p comma 8 minus 3 root p comma 8. Okay. Now for the first curve, y is equal to x square is equal to, so first curve x square by 9p equal to 9 minus y, or y is equal to 9 minus x square by 9p. dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9p. Okay. Now for the second curve, x square, equation number 2 implies x square by p is equal to y plus 1, or y is equal to x square by p minus 1, or dy by dx is equal to 2x by p. Okay. Now slope of the tangent to the first curve, dy by dx, equation number 3 implies dy by dx at root 3 root p comma 8 is equal to minus 2 into x coordinate 3 root p by 9 into 8. Okay, sorry, 9 into p, that's equal to minus, here 3 cancelled, minus 2 root to p, minus 2 by root to p cancel, minus 2 by 3 root to p. Now for the second curve, 4 implies dy by dx at root 3, 3 root to p, dy by dx at 3 root to p comma 8 is equal to 2 into 3 root to p by p, that is 6 by root to p. Okay. Now product of slopes is minus 1, which is first one is m1, which is m2, m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, that is minus 2 by 3 root to p into 6 by root to p is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cancel, 3 2, so p is equal to 4. Okay.